Welcome to Cisco Unboxed. Today we're going to be showing off the new wireless headsets with the multi-base. This is the 562 and I'll be showing you the 561 right after this. But pretty much those both boxes are going to be the same, so I'll just pull it into frame at the end so you can see the difference. But if you open up the box here, you have the quick start guide right on top, so you can pull that right out. Underneath that you have the headset itself. So the headset is kind of packaged a little nicely here. You're going to have to pull off some tape to get it out, and then there you go. Set that off to the side. So from here we have the wireless headset and the wireless headset itself that you can set off to the side. There's a little bit of plastic on here and stuff that you can pull off. Don't forget to do that before you start using it. That way it looks all nice and useful versus it being separate. And then you have the actual user manual itself. Underneath that, got a small box in here. You can open that up. You have your cable to connect this up to your phone, to your Cisco phone. There's your AC power plug. And this is the actual adapter for the power plug, as this is a universal piece. You want to make sure it comes with the right one for your country. And that's just going to snap right in there. And then underneath that we have a few more pieces here. So open this up. And we have the base itself. I'll rip that open for you guys. See it? So this is the multi-base, as you can see, so you can select the different pieces that you want to use instead of just being stuck with the one connection type. And then on the side here, you have your USB cable connection to go to your computer. And you also have your USB cable connection. Let's see here. So this one actually, so two different types of USB cable connections. So USB A to A and USB to micro USB. So depending on what you have to connect to. And then, so this one is just going to dock using these little ports on the bottom here for charging. So you can just dock that right in there when you're not using it. And then as far as the 561, that one, as you can see here, looks almost identical. The bases are identical. The only difference is the headset itself. So as you can see, this one only has an ear cup on one side, so it's a mono headset, where this one has an ear cup on both sides, so it's stereo. This one's a little bit better if you're in a busy environment where you don't want to be disturbed as much, where this one is good if you're constantly talking to people in the room and people on the phone. You don't want to keep taking your headset on and off. So that was the 562 and the 561 multi-base headsets from Cisco, and thank you for joining us.